Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie Kiwi starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, looking at the Aussie yen on the monthly time frame, I mean, it definitely looks like a nice 5 waves down there. And it looks like potentially 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 3 waves up for a WXY. If that is true and it did take out the higher wave 4 just like it should, then that means that this move down would either be an A or 1. This move up right here would either be a B or a 2. And eventually it's potentially going to go down for either a C or a 3. Just based on price, it seems more likely like it is a wave C, and that eventually it'd probably end up doing something like that. But either way, I think it's going to be a pretty decent move. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we got a huge impulsive move down on the weekly. It looks to me like the potential end of a wave C of wave Y. And then to me, it looks pretty clear on this time frame to be 1, 2, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. So I think we have another WXY ending right here. If that's true, that means that this is a 1, this is a 2, and eventually it's going to go down and make like a 3, a 4, and a 5 to form that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, so it's definitely a little bit of a complex pattern, but I think it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 1 ending right here. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up for A. That is definitely 3 waves up. I think this is 3 waves down. That is definitely 3 waves down for B. And it's a lower low than the wave 1, which is a big clue that it's probably an expanding flat. That means that this is likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. The target for an expanding flat is normally the 161.8 or the 178.6, which would probably pretty much go back up and retest this trend line, making an expanding flat wave 2 and probably eventually going back down for that wave 3. So let's take it right down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I think this is a wave 3. I think this is probably already made a wave 4. I mean, it never did take out structure, so there is a chance that this is like an A of 4 and a B of 4, and then potentially it goes down for a C of 4 before it really does go back up. Definitely a possibility. I'm already long on this. I've been long since way back here. I'm hoping that it's just going to go up now and make a wave 5, but if it does make a wave B, then we'll be aware of that and we'll be ready for that. So taking it down to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, like I said, I am long right now, and I personally would be doing nothing but looking for longs. There was a nice 1, 2, 3-way pullback yesterday, which I think would have been the next opportunity to get in. I don't think I would try to go long right now, but if I saw it go up and then eventually make 3 waves down, then I definitely would continue to look for longs at the end of all 3-way patterns I see, especially because the trend is technically up on our higher roadmap time frames like the daily and 4-hour time frame. The trend is your friend, so we should be looking for longs and an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.